सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. ओम. श्लोका नंबर 117. भूर्भुवस्वस्तरुस्तारः सविता प्रपितामहः यज्ञो यज्ञपतिर्यज्वा यज्ञांगो यज्ञवाहनः. What the last name is the there are, now we are seeing that nama Bhurbhuva Swastaruhu, one nama. Bhurbhuvaha Swastaruhu, one nama. Bhuhu Bhuvaha Suvaha Taruhu. Bhurbhuva Swastaruhu becomes. The first meaning is Trini Vyakriti Rupani, that Bhuhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha are called Vyakriti. Trini Vyakriti. They are in the Bija form. Shukrani means in the Bija form. Trai Sarani. Bakhrucha Ahu. The Rigvedis. Rucha means by the Rigvedis. Ahun said by the Rigvedis, these Vyakritis. What they do with these Vyakritis? Taihi Homadina Jagatrayam Tarati. By these mantras, Bhuhu Bhuvaha Suvaha Vyakritis mantras, they do Homa. They perform Homa. By that performance of Homa, Jagatrayam Tarati. Jagatrayam means all the three lokas, Bhuloka, Bhuvarloka, Suvarloka. Three lokas means once you take human birth, you will cross this human birth also. Suvarloka, Swargaloka, all these lokas, Antariksha lokas also one can cross over by chanting this Bhur Bhuva Swaha. Three Vyakritis. Tarati means, Taraha means Tarati. Tarati Anena iti Taruhu. Taruhu means here Tarati, crosses over. Another second meaning is Aditya Jayate Vrishtihi Ushtrair Annal Tataha. So, Agnau Prastahutihi. By chanting this mantra, Agnau Prastahuti means in the Agni, whatever they put in that Agni, that goes to Samyagaditya Upatishthate. It goes to the sun, Lord Sun. Whatever we put in this fire, Homa, it will go to the Lord Sun. What Lord Sun do here? Aditya Jayate. From that Aditya, yes, Aditya takes the whole Homa oblations and he gives Vrishti, rain. So Aditya Jayate Vrishtehe. Vrishtehe Annam. Because of rain, Annam comes, food. Tataha Praja, then Praja, people. Therefore, performing Yaga, Homa is very important. These oblations, that Homa, Havish will taken by the Lord Sun. Having taken that Havish, he gives rain. That rain gives food. Because of that food, people will survive here. That means what? We are not having rains means Madras people are so busy not doing any Homa. If sufficiently if we do, we get rains. That Homa, the whatever goes from that fire, it creates rain actually. That Homa, that Poge Varamanya, other certain things are there that which creates rain. Scientifically they have already, our rishis have understood that nature actually. Namak ippudu environmental, ecological problems, all these simply outer line we are knowing. But our rishis, they know each and exact thing, what is happening. If I do this, what going to happen in the sun or moon, anything. They are very, very well informed. That is why they used to perform all those things. So prajaha iti Manu vachanat. Manu said this. And the third meaning is athava bhutbhuvasvaha lokatraya samsara vrikshaha tarati. By chanting this bhuhu bhuvaha suvaha, lokatraya samsara, ante all these what you can call lokatrayam means you can take three sharirams, as I said, pointed out previously. Lokatrayam or the samsara, all these three bodies, the samsara vriksha, this is called vriksha. Ashwadham vriksha anchuna ashwadhamenam suvirudhamulam, Gita also Bhagavan says. So this body is compared to as a vriksha. Taruhu, here taruhu means you can take as vriksha. There in the previous meaning tarati, crosses over. Here vrikshaha means samsara vrikshaha. Samsara vrikshaha bhur bhuvas suvaha akhyam lokatrayam vrikshavad vyapya tishtati iti. Another thing, vrikshavad, that vriksha, ashwadha vriksham, it spreads everywhere. So similarly, Bhagavan also in the form of Vyahritis, he spreads everywhere. So therefore Bhurbhuvasuvaha is nothing but Ishvara. அந்த மந்திரத்துக்கு அவ்வளோ சக்தி இருக்கேனே. Lokatrayam vrikshavad vyapya. Bhagavan pervades like that vriksha in the three lokas. In the form of bhuhu, bhuvaha, suvaha, three lokas, he pervades. Taruhu, taruvat, vrikshavat, he pervades. Just as the roots goes, pervades long, so much distance. Bhagavan also pervades on these three lokas. Taruhu, bhuru, bhuvas, svas, taruhu. Next nama, Taraha, 968. Taraha samsara sagaram tarayan. The Lord Vishnu is one who crosses, who makes us to cross over the samsara. Ajnanam means, samsara means ajnanam. What type of ajnanam? Sagaram, it is like a sagaram. Anadi avidya vasanaya. This ajnanam is not kuncha ajnanam, very powerful ajnanam. Even years together you study Shastra, jnaname varamatingiradana evvala powerful ah irukka paru. Even though in spite of listening, aham brahmasmi nu solla mudiyamatingiradhe. Why? What is the reason? Because it is like a sagaram, so deep. Samsara sagaram tarayan. Athava another meaning pranavaha, onkara. In the Tara means mantram. Taraka mantram anchunana. Onkara also is a Taraka mantram. Rama mantram is also a Taraka mantram. Onkara is also a Taraka mantram. That Onkara is the Taraka mantram because by chanting which mantra you cross over your samsara. Omkara, if you say A, O, put together Omkaram, that Omkara helps the person to cross over this samsara. Therefore Bhagavan is called Taraha. Omkara is nothing but Ishvara, Parabrahman Namamad. So ultimately Omkara helps the person to come out of this ajnana, this samsara. Taraha. Then Savita. (969). Savita means Sarvasya Lokasya Janakaha iti. Janakaha. Who is the father of, he who is the generator of all the worlds. Lokasya means all the worlds. Generator. Janakaha means generator or creator of whom? All. Sarvasya, creator of all. Then 970, 70th nama, Pitamaha, Prapitamaha. Lord Vishnu is called as Prapitamaha, who is the father of Brahmaji, and therefore the grandfather of all. Pitamaha, Prapitamaha. Our grandfather is Brahmaji. Brahmaji's father, Lord Vishnu, the creator. So, great grandfather, Prapitamaha. Therefore, Jagatah Pitarau Vande Parvati Parameshwaran manakku grand great grandfather nu sollalam. We are all belong to the Lord. We are all children of the Lord Shiva and Parvati. So Prapitamaha, Lord Vishnu is called as Prapitamaha. Here Vishnu Sahasranamam solli Jagatah Pitarau Vande Parvati Parameshwaran sollar Swamini and doubt varakudadu. And then I have taken, you are all advanced students, no? Vishnu, Shiva are not different. Vishnu eva Shiva, Shiva eva Vishnu. So I have taken it as granted, no? You are all, and I have understood. We have crossed all these things. So Prapitamaha. Then 971, Yajnaha. 71. Yajnaha means, is already we have seen this Yajnaha, who is in the form of Yajna. Who is in the form of Yajna. Yajnaha. In the 445, no? 445, that Nama we have seen. You can see back to that. So I don't want to explain again. Same Nama came there. Then Yajnapatihi, 972. Yajnanam Pata, Swami. Patihi means Swami. Swami, Yajnapatihi. Pata means the protector. Swami. Pata means the protector, or the Swami means who is the master. Adhipati. Pati means here master. Swami. Therefore, Lord Vishnu is called as Yajnapatihi. Therefore, Bhagavan said in Bhagavad Gita also, Ayam hi sarva yajnanam bhokta cha prabhurevacha. I am the enjoyer. I am the Prabhu also, master. Therefore, Bhagavan says, I am the Yajnapatihi. Then Yajva, 973. Yajva, Lord Vishnu is called as Yajva because Yajamana Matmana Tishtan. In the form of Yajamana, the performer of Yajna is called Yajamanaha. Whoever performs the Yajna is called Yajamanaha. Yajamana Atmana Tishtan. In the form of Yajamana Tishtan. Who is Yajamani? None other than Vishnu. In the form of Atmana means he takes his form, Yajamani form, Atmana, Swayam. Atmana means by his own, by himself, in the form of Yajamana. So therefore he is called Yajva. Then Yajnangaha, 974. Yajnangaha. Anga means parts, organs. Yajna Angani Yasya iti. All Angas in the Yajna. If you want to do one Yajna, there are so many things required. Even normal puja in our house, we have to bring so many things, puja dravyam. You want to talk of Yajna. According to Shastra, they have to perform that Yajna. Each and every minute thing they have to take care of. So many articles, so many things you have to bring in that Yajna. So each part, each thing, every object, whatever you use in that Yajna is none other than Vishnu. Yajnangaha. What are the next, so many slokas Acharya writes, just I'll explain in English those words. Just we can know what are the things they use in the Yajna. Vedas First they have to chant in the Yajnam, when they are performing Yajnam, mantras, Veda mantras. So Vedas are his feet. So Lord Vishnu's feet, Vedas. Now Angam you have to see, all the bodies of the organs of the body. Then sacrificial post. There is some post, pole madri. They have to tie something there. They put that sacrificial post. That is called his jaws. Bhagavan's the jaws. That is called sacrificial post. And no, jaws vere, teeth vere. Jaws means the teeth root வந்து jaws. பல்லுக்கு பல்லுக்கு இருக்கு ரூட் இருக்கு இல்லையா அது. Then sacrifices. Whatever they do sacrifice போடுறது. This is hands. Then the chitti. They put in a fire. Chitti. That is called his face. Is Bhagavan's face. The Agni, the fire comes from that chitti. Chitti means before the fire comes, they put that wood pieces. That is called chitti. Samit. So, Samit means adu darbha. Arani wood. Adu arani vere. Chitti means they put everything put together. They are going to lit the fire. That is called chitti. Here. Samit bringing that sticks called Samit. Arrange பண்ணி எல்லாமே இந்த பொசிஷன்ல வைக்கிறது called chitti. So his face. Agni means when the fire takes place, it is called his tongue. Then darbha grass they use, that is a hair, Lord's hair. And day and night they have to celebrate, for Yajnam in the Muhurtam, in the time of day and night there come. His eyes, Lord's eyes. Then Veda Angas means they have to chant different, before going to offer this main Yajnam, they have to chant different Angas of Vedas. Siksha, Vyakaranam, Kalpam, Chandas, Niruktam, so many are there, Angas. So they have to chant that also, mantras. Different types of mantras are there. They are all called his earrings. Bhagavan's earrings. And what is the ghee they offer? That is called his nose. Symbolically we have taken this. Nose, ghee. And the ladle they use, and the karandi. Different type of ladle. Big one, longer one, small one. So they have to use differently. The ladle is called his mouth. Ladle, mouth. And Samaveda, they have to chant. That Samaveda is a talk, his own speech, Bhagavan's speech. Samaveda chanting. Then the virtue and the truth. When they are following that Yajnam, they have to follow some rules. That time before first day they should not talk much, they should not eat, they have to do upasana 3 times, they have to take bath, 3 o'clock one bath, 6 o'clock one bath. Again, so many restrictions are there. These are all comes under virtues and truth. That time they should not utter certain words, they should not see certain things. These are all virtues we call, truth and virtues. Agama, it's not Agama. He has to, his conduct, his behavior before, just like some upavasa, some puja, before Anga Pradashanam, suppose Anga Pradashanam is there, you have to take bath, so and so time you have to stand like this. Certain rules and regulation will be there. They are all called virtues and truth. So, certain rules and regulations he has to follow before that yajna. They are all called Bhagavan's movements. Lord Vishnu's movements, each movement compared to a virtue of that person when you are going to perform the sacrifice. That's why Yajnam means it's not ordinary. Everything is like this. You go on telling so many slokas Bhagavan written. Just I have given a few here. Vayu and many things here. Dakshina, heart of yogins. Dakshina is important. You have to keep Dakshina. Without Dakshina, no use. So Dakshina is heart of the yogins. The yogi is Bhagavan, yogi and here Lord Vishnu alone. His heart is called Dakshinamurti. Like that, Upanishads, all Upanishads, whatever they are chanting, they are called seat, asana. So many are there. Priest, no? His bowels, no? His bowels inside inner organs also telling. The priest is called inner bowels. No? There is a lot more. If you go deep into this, there are so many meanings comes. Just for idea sake I am giving here. So therefore Lord Vishnu is called Yajnangaha. Each and everything in the Yajna is so pavitram because they are all Ishvara alone, Paramatma. Then Yajna Vahanaha, 975. Correct? Yajna Vahanaha. Yajnangaha over. Yajnangaha 974. Now 975. Yajna Vahanaha. Falahetu Bhutan Yajnan Vahayati. The carrier of the Yajna Phalam. The carrier of the Yajna Phalam. So Agni Devata, to whom you are offering here, Indraya Namaha, Indraya Swaha, Varunaya Swaha, so those. This in the form of Varuna, in the form of Indra, in the form of Vayu, Lord Vishnu is the carrier through in the form of Varuna, in the form of Indra, Yajna Phalam. So he takes this Yajnam and Yajna Phalam edaithe varumo, he will take that Phalam. And whenever it has to fructify, whenever he has to give that Phalam, he gives to the Yajamana. So he keeps that Phalam with him, the carrier of. Like our, what you call, card, the card irukke. Adu enna card, bank, credit card madri. Wherever you go, you will get money if you take the credit card. Adu madri Bhagavan always carrying that our credit card. Namak enna eppudu thevayo, he will give that credit card. So Yajna Vahanaha. So here Yajna means nowadays we are not performing these Yajnas. What about us? So whatever action you are doing is called Yajna. Now we can convert into Yajna. Yajna Vahanaha. Next sloka we will read. Yajna Brad Yajna Krad Yajnim. Yajna Brad Yajna Sadhanaha. Yajnanta Krad Yajna Guhyam. Annamannada evacha. Illa Yajna. It's so Yajna Vahanaha over 976th Nama Yajna Bhrit. Lord Vishnu is the upholder of sacrifice. Upholder means protector. Yajnam Vibharti Pati iti Yajna Bhrit. Yajna Bhrit. Then Jagada, next one, Yajna Krit. Yajna Krit means the creator. Krit means creator. The creator of the sacrifice. Jagadadau tadantecha yajnam karoti. Jagat Adau. Jagat Adau means that at the beginning of the creation, the Lord Vishnu is the one who created this sacrifice. Tadantecha yajnam krintati. At the time of pralaya, he destroys and he completes this yajnam also. At the time of creation, he creates that sacrifice. At the time of destruction, pralaya, krintati. Kriti means krintati. Pralaya kali. So it dissolves into him, the yajnam. Yajna krit. Then 978, Yagni. Yagni means the goal of sacrifice. What is the goal of that sacrifice? He is that goal also, whatever it may be. This person, Yajamanaha, has some goal, some destination, idu venam, some sankalpa is there. So that also is Vishnu alone. No, that also Vishnu alone. Yajnanam tat samaradhanam. That samaradhanam atmanam. Shesham and Chulvam. Shesham and Micham. Seshi. What remains after the performance of Yajnam? What remains? That is Vishnu. Yajni. Tat samaradhanam. Samaradhana atmanam. So the Seshi means the remaining after the fulfillment of accomplishing that whole Yajnam, whatever remains, that is called Vishnu, Yajni. And that is, we call in English, the goal of the sacrifice also. Then Bhuk, Yajna Bhuk. These are all we have seen. Anyhow, Yajnam Bhunkte, the enjoyer of the sacrifice. Yajnam Bhunkte iti Yajna Bhuk. Bhunakti iti. The 977 Yajni, I said, no, Yajnanam tat samara. In English we can say, he is the whole of which the sacrifices are only parts. No? He is the whole, everything. Lord is everything. He is the whole of the sacrifices. If any part you take, no, he is the whole. So he is there is nothing other than Vishnu. That's why Yajni. That which belongs to him, everything. From the beginning to until that phalam. It belongs to Lord Vishnu. Then Yajna Bhuk, the one who enjoys the Yajna phalam also. What we are thinking, I am only enjoying Yajna phalam, we say. The enjoyer of Yajna phalam also is Vishnu only. In the form of Vishnu, we are enjoying. Therefore, Yajna sadhanaha. Sadhanam tat praptau iti Yajna sadhanaha. Same like that only. Yeah, sadhanam. Yajnaha sadhanam tat praptau iti. Praptava iti. Having the sacrifice as a means of reaching him. To reach the Lord Vishnu, Yajnam is a sadhana. But we are not doing any Yajnam. What is the whole sadhana? We are all doing Yajnam. Eating also Yajnam. Taking bath also is Yajnam. Walking also Yajnam. Pradarshana is also Yajnam. Japam is also Yajnam. Japa Yajnam. So everything convert into Yajnam. Attitude, motive is important here. Even if you don't have proper attitude, proper motive, even you do big yaga, yajna, no phalam. If you do a small action with high attitude, by invoking that Ishvara in that, it gives tremendous phalam. It gives tremendous phalam. Therefore here, Yajna sadhanam, Bhagavan is this Yajnam is a sadhanam as a means to reach Bhagavan. Therefore, Lord Vishnu is called Yajna sadhanaha. Next nama, Yajnantakrit, 981. Yajnasya antam, Yajnantam. Phalapraptim kurvan, Yajnantakrit. The giver of the result of the sacrifice. As though it looks same repetition madri, but you see the subtle changes are there in that. Krit, Bhuk, Sadhanam, all these are different. Yajnam, same we are listening, but in actions, accessories are different. So the giver of the result. Yajnanta Krit. So Yajnam, if you stop in the middle, you don't get phalam. So you have to finish it. In the middle, phalam also will stop until you complete it. So therefore you have to yajna antakrit. That's why we say yajna krit vere. Yajna antakrit means antam only you can get phalam after completing only. So Lord Vishnu is the giver of that phalam. Yajnantakrit. Phalabhi yajnanam. Then next nama yajna guhyam. So yajnantakrit means here purnahuti. Purnam kritva yajna samaptim karoti iti yajnantakrit. Purnahuti means now this yajnam is over and the last one final action is there. What is that? Yajna purna kumbham. That purna kumbha, in that purnahuti they put everything in that and they cut motai. That whole thing they will drop in that finally. That is the final. They will they will put in that fire and pour lot of ghee. So that is the conclusion of yajna. So that conclusion is over means now last namaskaram anamata. Mana naivedya panna madri. Ella mudichi laatiki naivedyam idnu like that. This is the last action in that yajna. Therefore it is called yajnanam purnahutya purnam krutva. Therefore it is called yajnantakrit. Yajna guhyam 982. Yajna guhyam means yajnanam guhyam jnana yajnam. Jnana yajna. The secret yajnanam, among all yajnas, the secret yajnam is there. What is that secret? Jnana yajna. Why secret? Why it is secret? It is called phalabhi sandhi rahitaha. Yajna guhya means the secret of yajnam is really speaking chitta shuddhi, punyam. Then later it leads to that person to jnana, guru prapti. See, imagine if you are coming to Vedanta and you are studying Vedanta, understanding Tattvamasi, Brahmasmi, if you get it the knowledge, you have completed all these yajnas. In previous janmas, you have done lot of karmas and rituals, performances, yagam, yajnam, all pujas, worships, ella mudichi, adu avara punya phalamda inikki in the class vande Vedanta kekkanum aase varade. In the aase varanavanna avvala pandirkanum. Therefore last eventante yajna guhyam evutaga in the secret in the yajnathikana jnanam anna. Adi enna jnanam anna phala abhisandhi. Phalam eduru paakkamale లాస్ట్లో எனக்கு ஒன்றும் வேண்டாம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு எவ்ரி திங் பணம் வேணும், வீடு வேணும், வாசல் வேணும், குட்டி வேணும், எல்லாம் வேணும். அதுக்கப்புறம் யூ சே ஐ டோன்ட் வாண்ட் எனி திங் பகவான், ஐ வாண்ட் யூ அலோன். சித்த சுத்தி மனசை சுத்தமாக்கணும். ஸோ யூ ஆஸ்க் ஃபார் தட். ஸ்லோலி யூ வில் கெட் மெச்சூரிட்டி. நோ, யூ வில் க்ரோ gracefully from all those wantings. No? I don't want anything. That is called phalabhisandhi rahita. No expectation at all. No expectation. That why no expectation? Because this jiva has nothing to desire. எதுவுமே ஆசை இருக்காது. That's why sometimes you feel wonder. ஏன் எனக்கு எது மேலே ஆசை வரமாட்டேங்கிறது? இதுதான் காரணம். You have completed. இன்னைக்கு ஆசை வரல பெரிய விஷயம் காது அது. You have already fulfilled your desires in previous janmas. Or it in young age itself. Those desires have completed. So therefore you never like to have some more. எதுவுமே ஆசை இல்லாமல் இருக்கும். சம் பீப்புள் ஏதோ சம்திங் ராங்னு சொல்லுவாள். எனக்கு எதுவுமே ஆசையே இல்லை, அவருக்கு ஒரு பற்று இல்லாமல் இருக்க, என்ன ஏதோ உடம்பு சரியில்லையோ என்னமோ நினைப்பான், மனசு சரியில்லைன்னு நினைப்பான். இவனுக்கு என்னென்ன பூர்வஜன்ம சுக்கிருத்தம் மூலமாக எதுவுமே பற்று ஆசை இல்லாமல் இருக்க, அது ஒரு பூர்வஜன்ம புண்ணியம். அது தெரிய மாட்டேங்கிறது. ஏன்னா மெஜாரிட்டி ஆஃப் பீப்புள் ஆர் லைக் தட். ஸோ யூ அலோன் ஆர் லைக் திஸ் மீன்ஸ் சம்திங் ராங்னு சொல்லுவான். பட் ஐ ஆம் ஓன்லி பர்சன், ஐ கேன் டெல் யூ, யூ ஆர் ரியலி ஃபார்ச்சுனேட் ஒன். பிகாஸ் ஆஃப் யூ ஹவ் டன் லாட் ஆஃப் புண்ணியா, யூ காட் தட். ஈவன் இந்த ஹவுஸ் எவ்ரிபடி டிசைர்ஸ் திஸ், தட், ஐ வாண்ட் திஸ். உனக்கு எதுவுமே மனசு போகாது அதில். ஈவன் யூ டு நாட் நோ தட். Shastra gives answer for that. Why you are not having attachment towards that, desire for that? No, only one reason. Because you have already completed long ago. That is why you never desire. Phalabhisandhi rahitana. Phalame expectation kadiyadu. So phalabhisandhi, abhisandhi means the desire. Phalam, desire for that phalam. So that is called yajna guhyam. When that it comes, I don't want anything. So your mind becomes introvert. The more you become introvert, this you desire for Atma Jnanam, Moksha. Therefore he says, Tad abhede upacharat Brahma. What is this? This Jnana Yajnaha Phalabhisandhi Rahitatvam is nothing but Brahman. The moment the Vairagyam, this is called tremendous Vairagyam. When the Vairagyam comes, immediately that Brahma Sthiti is very, very simple. So, Abhedam anamata. There is no Bedha, difference. Abhedam is what? That Jnana Yajnam and Phalabhisandhi Rahitatvam, the renunciation, this Viveka. Viveka irundadane, enak onnu venda, Nachiketana sonna madri. Tavaiva vaha, tavanritya geete. So you are renunciating everything means something you have in your mind. I don't want this. I don't want this. Like children, no, they keep something very good one. And enak venda idi. Namadeva, enna venda anjalre. He has something else, costlier one, good one. No? Chocolate also, if they have nice costly chocolate, ordinary chocolate they don't like. No? Adi madre, we also say, interest I want something else. Therefore I disregard them, all of them. Why we are not showing interest? Phalabhisandhi is not there. I want something else which gives more happiness, treasure, ananda. Therefore, our mind divert to that side. That is what? Brahman. Tad abhedam, that is Brahman. So this Vairagya leads to Brahma Jnanam. The Vairagyam is very important. So Yajna Guhyam. Who is that? Lord Vishnu alone. Then Annam. Annam. Annam means food. You know, I need not explain. But what I have to explain is, Annam is Vishnu alone. Annam is Vishnu alone. Adyate atti cha bhutani annam. The eater, giver of food, food giver as well as eater of the jivas. He is the eater of what is food for Lord. We are all the food for Lord. Idenna Swami, Andamadi Bhayankaramana Ada Swami, Lord Vishnu, at the time of Pralaya, he takes everything, swallows everything into him. Annam, Atti, the whole Jagat is like Annam for Lord. Nama madri in the Urugayana and the Puriyal Patna Patamaina. Ordinary stomach, morning breakfast, lunch, dinner, you want to sap, Madhya Saptico in the Chinna stomach. Ordinary is the tiny human being. The whole creator of this Lord, Lord is the creator of whole universe. How much food he requires? He requires whole Jagat. Whole Jagat. So, Adyate atti cha bhutani iti annam. Then annadaha. Annadaha means annam atti iti annadaha sarvam jagat adirupena bhoktru bhogya bhogyatmakameva iti. So annadaha means the giver of the food. Annada evacha also we have to include here. The eater of the food. Annadaha means the eater of the food. The bhoktru means bhoktru bhogya prapancha. The enjoyer, the bhogya prapancha is the outer world. The enjoyer of the bhogya prapancha. So we are enjoying the bhogya prapancha. No? Whatever is there in front of these eyes, we are enjoying. We are bhoktas. Similarly for Lord, the whole Jagat is bhogya prapancha. The total consciousness, you take at the total level, total consciousness, the whole Jagat is bhogya prapancha. Just as I am enjoying my Rasagulla, my house, my TV, everything, so you put all of our enjoyment things put together, the enjoyers all put together, Ishvara. So he is enjoying in all the bodies. Macrocosm. So all microcosms put together in the form of macrocosm, He is enjoying. The whole Jagat is Bhogya Prapancha. He is the Bhokta. Eva cha, Bhagavan alone. Eva. Eva means our mattumdan. Eva means the whole world is in the form of food. Food anna dosha anu idli nu appadi kediyadu. O tappa ye tappa. The whole world is like a food Bhagavanukku. So includes the eater as well as eaten. We are all eaters. நம்ம ஈட்டிங் ஆப்ஜெக்ட்ஸ். தோஸ் பகவானுக்கு இந்த ஈட்டரு அந்த ஈட்டிங் ஃபுட் எவ்ரிதிங் இஸ் ஃபுட். அவர் தான். ஏதாவது கொஞ்சமாவது அகங்காரம் போவோமோ இல்லையான்னு பார்க்குறாரு பகவான். நான் தான் எல்லாம் சொன்னா கூட நமக்கு அகங்காரம் போக மாட்டேங்கிறது, என்ன பண்ணுறது? ஸோ ஏவச்சா மீன்ஸ் ஹச்சா சப்தம் இஸ் யூஸ்டு டு ஷோ தட் ஆல் நேம்ஸ் என்ன ஏவச்சான ஆல் நேம்ஸ் given in the text. 1000 namas in the text can be appeal to Paramatman only, not only. All the names evacha sarvanamnam Paramatman. Therefore in the bhavana varanamanna ivvala kekkanum. We have to listen more and more about Lord is everything, Lord is everything, Lord is everything. But I am not leaving my ahankara here. Individuality vechite naan Lord is everything, Lord is everything, I am not able to identify with the Lord. So I have to get the knowledge, self knowledge. Who am I terinja, then I can identify with the Lord. Sampada jnanam, tatpada jnanam. So tatpada jnanam ellame Brahman da. Sarvam Bhagavan da pannittar creation. Ella Bhagavan da. தத்பத ஞானம். தத் தட் பிரம்மன் ஞானம் இஸ் தட். எல்லாருக்கும் தெரியும், படிக்க அவசியம் கிடையாது இதுக்கு. யூ நீட் நாட் ஸ்டடி ஃபார் திஸ். ஏன்னா எல்லாமே நம்ம கையில் ஒன்றும் இல்லை, ஹோல் கிரியேஷன் இது எல்லாம் ஒன்றாக இருக்கு. ஸோ பகவான் கிரியேட்டட் த ஹோல் யூனிவர்ஸ். தத்பத ஞானம். யூ அக்ரீட் ஃபார் தட். பட் வாட் ஆம் ஐ, ஹூ ஆம் ஐ, வாட் இஸ் மை ரியல் நேச்சர்? ஸ்வம்பத ஞானம். இந்த ஸ்வம்பத ஞானம் வந்தாதான் அந்த தத்பத ஞானம் சரியாக புரிஞ்சுக்க முடியும். வெர்பலாக சொல்கிறது வேறு. ஸ்வம்பத ஜானம் வந்ததால் தத்பத ஜானம் புரியும். அப்படி ஸ்வம்பத அண்ட் தத்பத, ஸ்வம்மன்னா நான், தத்பதானந்த பகவான். ஸோ இந்த ஸ்வம்பத நான் அந்த பகவான் தனித்தனி கிடையாது, ஒன்றுதான் வந்தப்போதான் நமக்கு நிஜமான ஜானம். அதுதான் சர்வாத்ம பாவம் வரணும். அதே சர்வாத்ம பாவம் சொல்லலாம். ஸோ சர்வாத்ம பாவம் சொல்லிட்டு இங்கே ஜானம் வரலன்னா அதான் வெர்பல் மூவ்மெண்ட், லிப் மூவ்மெண்ட் won't work. So tremendously I have to intellectually grasp this knowledge. இல்லைன்னா நம்ம குறை அப்படியே இருக்கும், என்னமோ குறை, எல்லாமே நல்லா இருக்க சுவாமினி, பட்டு அந்த பட்டு கண்டினியூ ஆகிட்டே இருக்கணும். அந்த டெய்ல் மாதிரி தோக்கை, அந்த பட்டு போகவே போகாது. எவ்ரி திங் இஸ் ஓகே ஃபைன். என்ன கொஞ்சம் தான் அங்கே தான் ப்ராப்ளம். அந்த கொஞ்சம் போதும், ஒரு பாயிண்ட் டு மேக் ஷேக். அது எப்போ ஷேக் பண்ணணுமோ தெரியாது. கொஞ்சம் ஏதோ மூடு சரியில்லை சுவாமி, டிப்ரெஷனாக இருக்குது இன்றைக்கி. கொஞ்சம் எங்கேயோ பே ஆஃப் பெங்காலில் டிப்ரெஷன் வரும், அங்கே வரதே இல்லை. மெட்ராஸுக்கு அது கூட போயிடுச்சு. இப்போ முன்னாடி எல்லாம் துஃபான் வந்தால் ரெயின் வரும் மெட்ராஸ்லன்னா. இப்போ என்னென்னா அங்கே துஃபான் வரதுக்கு சான்சஸ் இல்லை, இங்கேயே நிறைய பேருக்கு வருது துஃபானு. டிப்ரெஷன் மைண்டில் என்ன வருது, பகவானுக்கு இடம் கிடையாது அங்கே கொடுக்கறதுக்கு. ஆல்ரெடி வி ஹாவ் டேக்கன் த டிப்ரெஷன். அது மாதிரி சைக்ளோன் ஐயன் எங்கேன்னா மண்டையில். ஸோ அந்த ஞானம் வரணும். So evacha Bhagavan, everything, all namas are Bhagavan's only. Next sloka. Atma yoni swayam jatah vaikhanas samagayanah devaki nandana srashta क्षितीशः पापनाशनः आत्मयोनिः. आत्मैव योनिः, आत्मयोनिः. योनिः means cause. The Lord Vishnu is called Atma Yonihi because he is the self as the cause. ఉపాదాన కారణం నా అన్యత్ ఇది. ఆత్మైవ యోని ఉపాదాన కారణం. ఉపాదాన కారణం అంటే మెటీరియల్ కాజ్. టు క్రియేట్ దిస్ హోల్ జగత్, భగవాన్ has not taken anything from outside. Atma, he himself as upadana karanam, material. Na anyat, nothing is there to take. No creation ahale. So where from he can take? Nothing is there to take. So Bhagavan creation pandanam. Enna pandrathu? I myself manifest. Adi eppadi mudiyum Swamini enna? Theriyum namakku example. Swapnam. Without any material, in dream, we are creating or not? Who created the dream? Dream water. Dream மாப்பிள்ளை ஃபர்ஸ்ட். என்ன பொண்ணுக்கு மாப்பிள்ளை பார்க்கணும்னா மாப்பிள்ளை கிடைக்கல, ரொம்ப நாளாக தேடிட்டே இருக்கோம். ஸோ இந்த ட்ரீமில் யூ கிரியேட் ஏ பாய், அதான் மாப்பிள்ளை. ஹவு யூ ஹவ் கிரியேட்டட்? ஃப்ரம் யுவர் செல்ஃப் அலோன் யூ ஹவ் கிரியேட்டட். பையன் நல்லா இருக்க. She sees that boy in the dream and she tells her husband, you go and see in this side I get doubt here, I will get that boy in this side, and the south, the direction எந்த பக்கமும். So from Bangalore that side. So சில பேருக்கு என்ன பிலீஃப், அப்போ நமக்கு ட்ரீம் வந்து அது கண்டிப்பாக நடக்கும். ஸோ ஃபியூச்சர் சம்டைம்ஸ் கம்ஸ் ஆஸ் எ ட்ரீம், நோ. ஸோ தே ரியலி தே பிலீவ். அது மாதிரி ஹூ கிரியேட்டட் திஸ் இன்சைட்? ஐ அலோன் கிரியேட்டட். வென் ஐ ஆம் ஏபிள் டு கிரியேட் my dream maappalai, Bhagavan also can create. Bhagavan also can create. How I created? My own mind, my own thought. So Bhagavan also created the whole, became the whole world. Atma Yoni. Ama spider creating mother. Then Swayam Jataha. स्वयं जातः मीन्स् निमित्तकारणं. निमित्तकारणमपि स एव दर्शयितुं स्वयं जातः. सो आत्मयोनिः मीन्स् उपादानकारणं, स्वयं जातः मीन्स् निमित्तकारणं. निमित्तकारणमपि स एव. The self born, not caused by, no one is there to create him. He himself creates by himself. Anything, whatever you see in the world, created by someone. Created by someone. So who created the Bhagavan? You cannot ask. No, everything created Bhagavan. But who created Bhagavan? And the doubt varum. Illa Swayam Jataha. Bhagavan born by himself. Ade eppadi mudiyum? Adha our Bhagavan. Somebody is required to create Bhagavan also. We need not call him as Bhagavan. He is also like ours only. நம்ம கேடர்லக்கு வரும், அப்படியே இந்த லைனில் உட்கார வச்சிடலாம். லிமிட்டெட், பரிச்சின்னம், நம்ம மாதிரி எல்லாமே அல்பாக்னியத்துவம் இருக்கும். அவருக்கு சாரோ டிப்ரெஷன் வந்துடும். பட் ஹி இஸ் ஃப்ரீ ஃப்ரம் ஆல் தோஸ் திங்ஸ். விவேகம், வைராகியம் எல்லாமே இருக்கு. ஸோ பிகாஸ் ஹீ நீட் நாட் ரிக்வயர் எனி அதர் திங் டு கிரியேட் ஹிம், தேர்ஃபோர் ஹி இஸ் கால்ட் பகவான். தட்ஸ் வை ஹி இஸ் நிமித்த காரணம் as well as உபாதான காரணம். He is the material, he is the maker, he is the material. Maker, material, both he himself. Therefore Bhagavan is called Swayam Jataha. Na Swayambhu lingam irukku illaya, இந்த லிங்கம் தானாவே வந்துடும். ஸ்வயம் லிங்கம் மாதிரி அந்த அமர்நாத்ல ஜோதி அந்த மண், தட் ஐஸ் லிங்கம் தானாவே வந்துடும். நாட் கிரியேட்டட் பை எனி ஒன். ஐ ஹவ் சீன் தட் இன் த மைண்ட் ஃப்ரம் டாப். நோ ஐஸ் கோ ஆன் ஃபாலிங். நோ இட் லுக்ஸ் லைக் ஐஸ் லிங்கம். நமக்கு என்னென்ன எது பார்த்தாலும் சிவன் மாதிரி தெரியும், எது செடியில் பார்த்தா பாம்பு மாதிரி தெரியும், நாகேந்திரா சுப்பிரமணியன் சொல்லுவோம். ஏதாவது கல் பார்த்தா யூ ஆல்சோ கோ அந்த ரோடுன்னா ஒரு கல் விநாயகர் மாதிரி இருக்கும். அப்போ யூஸே அப்போ விநாயகரை கொண்டு வந்து பூஜை பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா? திஸ் இஸ் அவர் ஆட்டிடியூட். சம் ட்ரீஸ் இஃப் யூ சி லுக்ஸ் லைக் என்னன்னா லக்ஷ்மி தேவி மாதிரி இருக்கும். இந்த ஃப்ளேம் ஆல்சோ சம்டைம்ஸ் யூ சி த ஃப்ளேம் லக்ஷ்மி தேவி கேன் சி. ஸோ அவர் பாவனை எப்படி இருக்குமோ அதுதான் நமக்கு வெளியில் தெரியும். That's why some people, when they see into the sky, there they see some devatas, gandharvas, them gods and the forms in the clouds itself they see. So adhe yosichi adha theriyum velila. Dream la kuda adha varum. Dream also that only comes. Therefore Swayam Jataha. Next nama 986 over here. 97 we have to see. Vaikhanaha. Vaikhanaha is here. Vaikhanaha. Then Vaikhanaha means Visheshena Khananat. Vaikhanaha. Khanana means digging. Not ordinary digging. Visheshena means some extraordinary. Some extraordinary. Depth. Who did know? Which avatara? Varaha avatara. Lord Vishnu went and dug that whole earth and to protect the earth. Dharanim Visheshena Khanitva. Dharani means earth. Visheshena. Specially, deeply. Visheshena Khanitva means by digging. Patala Vasinam. The Hiranyaksha staying in the Patala. Patala Vasi means that who is living in Patala. Patala Vasinam Hiranyaksham Varaha Rupam Asthaya. By taking Varaha Rupam Asthaya, Patala Vasinam Hiranyaksham Jaghana iti. Jaghana means killing. He killed Hiranyaksha who lived in Patala Loka by digging the whole earth. That's why in the Varaha actually you cannot see the tusk. Even if it is special. In the Avataram, even the pigs, Varaham, it is very much expert in digging that earth. That's why the mutti is so powerful. It has lot of strength. No other instrument, only that mouth. And it has that tusk also. And imagine how powerful in that Varaha avatar. So, to kill that Rakshasa, he has to go to Patala. To go to Patala, what form? Only this form, boar form, you have to take. So, therefore, he is called Vaikhanaha. Next nama, Samagayanaha. You know, Samani Gayati iti Samagayanaha. Samani Gayati iti Samagayanaha. The singer of Saman. Devaki Nandanaha. 989. Devaki Nandanaha. That also you know. Many names you know now. I need not explain. Devakyaha Sutaha Devaki Nandanaha. Devaki Nandanaha, the son of Devaki. Srashta 990. Sarvalokasya, the creator of all the world. Srijjidhat, Srashta, the creator. Creator by himself, by his own Shakti. Sarvalokasya Srashta. Then Kshitishaha 991 Nama. Kshiti means Bhumi. Ishaha means Lord, Master, the King. Kshitehe Bhumehe Ishaha Kshitishaha. Kshitehe Bhumehe Ishaha Kshitishaha. Like Dasharatmajaha, the Lord Rama. Dasharatmaja means Romba Dasharathaniki Romba loving son Mata Atmajam. Dasharatmajam Manavaru Ramar. Dasharatharilla. Dasharatmajanna avarku or Atma Madri in the Ramar Dasharathaniki Tana Atma Madri Atma Mela Aval Anbu Dasharatharki Ramarana. That's why when Rama went to forest he died. Because of that soka. Atma illana eppudu vadam irukka mudiyadhu adu maadhiri Raman illana na enna vaala mudiyum life na. He left his life. So that Dasharatmaja Atmajaha means Rama. Adu maadhiri Kshitishaha means who? Rama. The one who ruled the. In other avatarams Varaha Maschandal not Kshitishaha. So other avatarams there is no kingship, there is no ruling, coming and going, that's all. Whereas Rama Raja, as Raja, he ruled the earth. Therefore, he is called Kshitishaha. Papanashanaha 992. You know, papam nashayati. The one who removes papam, destroyer of the sins. How he destroys? Kirtitaha, pujitaha, dhyataha, smrutaha, papam nashayati. If you praise him and if you worship him, if you do meditate on him, by remembering smrutaha, remembering him, papam, papanashim, ராஷிம் பாப்ப ராஷிம் நாசேதி. ராசி என்ன ஒரு குப்பை, ராசி மாதிரி இருக்க எல்லாம் இப்படி பார்க்கணும். பாப்பம் எத்தனை இருக்குன்னா அவ்வளோ இருக்க பாப்ப ராசி குப்பை. அந்த பாப்பா குப்பை he destroys. How he destroys? பக்ஷோபவாசாத் பாபம் புருஷஸ்ய பிரணஷ்யதி. உபவாசம், if you do paksham days, உபவாசாத் பாபம் purushasya pranashyati. That papam, whatever papam will be destroyed by doing paksha upavasam. Paksha days means 15 days something. Upavasam, that papam will be reduced, destroyed by pranayama shatena. 100 times you do pranayama is equal to upavasa. 15 days upavasa is equal to pranayama. That means pranayama panna papam poidum. Adhe madri tat papam nashyate nranam. Pranayama shatenaiva tat papam nashyate nranam. பிராணயாம சஹஸ்ரேன யத் பாபம் நஷ்யதே. அந்த மாதிரி பிராணயாம 9 rounds 8 rounds கிடையாது. சஹஸ்ரேன பிராணயாம சஹஸ்ரேன, thousands of times if you do pranayama, that removes papam, it seems. யத் பாபம் நஷ்யதே நிருணாம் க்ஷணமாத்ரேண தத் பாபம் ஹரே தியானாத் பிரணஷ்யதி. அப்பா 1000 times if you do pranayama எவ்வளோ பாபம் போயிடுமோ, பகவான் நேம் சொன்ன நாராயணா அண்ணா பிராணாயாமே பண்ண வேண்டாம், கஷ்டப்பட வேண்டாம், ஈஸி மார்க்குன்னு சொல்கிறாரு. அதுதான் இட்ஸ் ஈஸியஸ்ட் வே, சீப்பஸ்ட்னு. யூ நீட் நாட் பே மனி டு கோ அண்ட் லேர்ன் பிராணாயாமா அண்ட் ஆல். ஸோ ஹியர் யூ கேன் சே ஹரேஹே தியானாத் பிரணஷ்யதி. க்ஷணமாத்திரேண யத் தத் பாபம் ஹரே தியானாத் பிரணஷ்யதி இது விருத்தசாத தபே. ఇదేదో స్మృతి గ్రంథం. వృద్ధశాతాతపే. We'll see more in the next class. So many Upanishads are there, Smriti Granthas are there. No? We do not know the names also even. So many are there. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.